Welcome back to Twin Truth Studios. I'm your host, Cece the Creator, and in today's tutorial, I'm showing you step by step how to create your very own AI beauty influencer. Perfect for faceless content.
Hi, my name is Nina and I am a beauty influencer created by Cece. So you want to be a beauty influencer, get brand deals, and make money while you sleep, all without showing your face? Then you're in the right place. Here, let me show you.
Oh, talk to me through your screen. Let your avatar live that dream. With Twin Truth Flow, they'll move so clean, like a jazz solo in a digital scene. Oh, talk to me and teach the world. Make your character sing, make your voice be heard.
All right, so in step 1, we're going to open ChatGPT. We're going to select the plus button and select a picture of our already created avatar. If you don't already have an avatar, you're going to want to go back and watch my previous videos to learn how to make you an avatar. Next, ChatGPT is going to ask, thanks for uploading your image. What would you like me to do with it? I am then going to copy and paste my prompt. My prompt says, please provide a text-to-image prompt of a step-by-step tutorial of her putting on glam makeup from start to finish. Use the routine for viral makeup tutorials. She is wearing a white plush robe and her hair is in a top messy bun. Keep the character consistent in each image and keep the scene the same in each image, regardless of angle. I did have to add that in there because I know whenever ChatGPT changes the angle of the shot, it will change the aspect ratio or even it'll change the full body view. I did ask for each image to be 9:16 and as she is talking to the viewers. It then replies to me and say, here is a complete text to image prompt series for a step-by-step viral glam makeup tutorial. Step 1, cleanse the face. Step 2, do the brows. Step 3, eyes, eyeshadow, and lashes. Step 4 is the complexion and foundation. Step 5 is the cheeks. Step 6 is the lips. And step 7 is the final reveal. It then says, would you like me to generate step 1? I replied with yes. So ChatGPT is stating it's getting started. It is going to read all of their prompt information and it is going to generate us a image of step 1, cleansing the face. It did say the image was ready, but it wasn't, and it went ahead and said we're ready to move on to the next step in the glam makeup tutorial. Would you like me to generate step 2, brows defined but natural? I went ahead and I said yes. And here is what it gave me for the brows, okay? Then I asked for it to please generate the image for step 3. I just pasted step 3, foundation and flawless base. It then gave me the third image. Perfect. All right, so you're just going to continue this for each step until you have all of your images. Then you're going to head over to the next tool, which is Halo AI. You're going to select the image to video at the top left. Then you're going to click to upload the image. Select the image you would like to upload, which is step 1. Go back to ChatGPT. Go up to the step that you're doing. I did do step 6, so I'm going to select. She's blending warm brown eyeshadow into her creases, adding shimmer to her lids. A lash curler and false lashes rest nearby. She's currently applies lashes with tweezers, looking directly at the camera. I copy and paste that prompt into the Halo AI app. And then I'm going to select finish at the bottom right and then select the 25 credits at the bottom. Next, it gave me a video that looks like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to request videos for each of my steps. So back to step 1. We're going to put in that she's cleansing her face, and then it is generating the image, and then this is the video that it gave us. Again, you're going to continue for each step. All right, so we're going to go over to step 3, which is our editing. So we're going to open CapCut, and this is where we're going to edit our image, our videos we just created. So you're going to select all of your images. You're then going to add your transitions, and then select sound. And I'm going to search for some jazz music to play in the background of this video, as she will not be speaking. You do have the option to do a voiceover. You can lip sync, add audio. I am only keeping background music because I already have captions in each video. So my captions are going to tell the viewers what's happening. So I'm just going to add background music on mine. But again, you do have those options. So next year, I'm just going to go ahead and line up my audio with my video so that it plays smoothly. You can make any adjustments. You can change the volume. You can fade the music in and out. Once it is satisfactory with your transitions and your background music, you are then going to select export, and you should get something like this.
And just like that, you've created an AI-powered beauty influencer.
Twin True Studios, where your voice meets.
Hit the like button if you've learned something new today, and subscribe if you're ready to launch your own faceless content, and comment below, I'm ready, if you're ready. All right, until next time.
Twin True Studios, where your voice meets vision. Let's bring your avatar to life. Twin True Studios.